in the very beginning, they had different kind of wood hacks. When they faced the pine tree, they cut the bark and the wood. All right, they did that until 1940, and then in 1940 they discovered if they would just use a bark hack. The bark hack has a square shoulder on it right here, and just cut the bark instead of the bark and the wood. All right. When they done that, they sprayed sulfuric acid in the street.
Mm-hmm.
When they used the wood hack, they had to cut a new street once a week. All right. When they started using the bark hack, cutting just the bark and spraying it with sulfuric acid, the gum would run 3 or 4 weeks without another streak. They got the
With the sulfuric acid. And that really made a big difference then.